Hello friends, welcome to Biology Lover. So today we are going to discuss about the nervous system, its types and classification. Otherwise you can say the types of nervous system. So we try to complete this video within a 3 minutes. So let's come. First we are discuss about the different types of nervous system. Then we describe about the briefly about the different type of nervous system. So for your interest here different type of Avengers are given for our body system. So for your interest, so let's come. The nervous system is first divided into two parts, that is central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Then central nervous system is divided into brain and spinal cord. So after then peripheral nervous system, this peripheral nervous system divided into motor neurons and sensory neurons. So motor neurons carry information from central nervous system to the site of action, and sensory neurons carry information from site of action to central nervous system. Then motor neurons further divided into somatic nervous system, that is control the voluntary movement, and then another part is the autonomic nervous system. Then autonomic nervous system control the involuntary response. Then further autonomic nervous system is divided into sympathetic division, means flight and fight. And another division is the parasympathetic division, that is rest and digest. So this is the flow chart about the total division about the nervous system. Then let's come to the nervous system is first divided into two parts. We described it previously: central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system known as the body master control unit. Body master control unit. We can know from its name central means central means main nervous system. Then the peripheral body linked to the outside world. Otherwise we can say that it connect to the central nervous system to the outside world. That is the peripheral nervous system. Then central nervous system divided into mainly three parts: spinal cords, brainstem and brain. You can say we previously see the only two, brain and spinal cord. The brainstem region is the connecting link between the brain and spinal cord. The spinal cord is a column like nerve between the brain and peripheral nervous system. It is present inside the vertebral column. So and brainstem I am described here. Then brain is divided into three major parts, that is the hind brain, lower part, and the mid brain and forebrain. Then peripheral nervous system. This is the peripheral nervous system is divided into autonomic. It regulates the involuntary body process like heart rate, respiration, digestion, pupil contraction. These are not under our control. This is the involuntary action. Then the somatic, this carries sensory information, sensory organ to the CNS and relay motor movement, means from CNS to the site of action. Different motor movement is command goes from the central nervous system to the site of action. Then we know autonomic nervous system is further divided into sympathetic and parasympathetic. The sympathetic prepare the body for the action of the stress, means and fight and flight. In stressful condition, is the rapid action is given by the sympathetic nervous system. And parasympathetic nervous system, this parasympathetic nervous system is help body to conserve energy, otherwise it is known as the rest and digest. So that's this slide you can see here. So this is the central nervous system, brain and spinal cord. This is the central nervous system. And peripheral nervous system, different nerve arise from the brain, that is cranial nerve, spinal nerve from spinal cord, and different ganglia is present. So these all are the part of the peripheral nervous system. Thank you.